Hi, welcome to this step-by-step guide on integrating Slack with AuthnIdentity, your trusted SAML identity provider. I am Sagar from AuthnIdentity, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect Slack for secure single sign-on in just a few easy steps. Let's start by creating a new Slack application in the AuthnIdentity admin console. First, go to Applications, App Catalog, click on Slack, Integrate, give the app name, app description, click on Next, provide the service provider ACS URL. Here, the ACS URL has to be your org Slack workspace URL followed by SSO/SAML. Give the SP entity ID as https slack.com. Provide the name ID format as persistent. Click on Save. This is how we have successfully created app instance for the Slack application. Now we will grab the identity provider details from Authn Identity so we can configure them inside Slack. Go to Applications, Applications tab, open the newly created Slack app instance, go to SAML setting. Next, let's switch over to Slack to complete the SSO configuration. Go to Slack workspace homepage, go to SSO and authentication, click on Configure SAML. For SAML 2.0 endpoint URL, copy the IdP single sign-on URL. For identity provider issuer URL, copy IdP entity ID. For service provider issuer URL, it should be https slack.com. For public certificate, copy IDP X509 certificate. Authn context class reference should be the default one, password protected transport. And then click test configuration. It should redirect you to Authn Identity. Click on login. And we are able to successfully set up Slack SAML configuration. Finally, let's test our new Slack SSO integration. Go to My Apps, click on Slack, sign in with Authn Identity, provide the username password for Authn Identity, click on Login. Here we are successfully able to log in to my Slack app. Okay, if you hit any issues, double check your ACS URL, certificate, and attribute mapping. You can always reach out to our support team or refer to our documentations. Thanks for watching. For more integrations and guides, check out our documentation or contact us directly. Happy integrating.